I am all set up with my pencil, my small brush, a piece of paper towel, water cup, and a lid with the color that I chose, and white and black. I also have my paper, my color wheel paper. Okay, what is the first thing I should do? If you said write your name, you are so correct. Okay, so I guess I should put Ms. Fosno. Okay, and then you would put your class. I'm gonna say art because I'm the art and I'm the teacher, but you could put your grade level and your teacher name, or at least their initial, something like that. Okay, so what we're gonna focus on first is right up here. We got the hue, the shade, and the tint. We're gonna paint that with this brush here. So I'm gonna start out with the hue, and I'm going to put it right in here. I chose red, but this is a color of your choice. It's any pure color. You are going to just put whatever color that you have chosen in there. So the second thing we're going to do is make a shade. You're going to rinse your brush out, drag it on the lip a little bit, but you don't have to get it all out because we're using the same kind of colors again. You're going to take, okay, so here's what I want to tell you about these colors: white and black and red. The white is the weakest, and it will be most affected by any color that you add with it. The darker the color, the more strong it is. So black is going to be the strongest one. Let's start with making a shade, which is your hue plus black. So I'm going to start with red, but I'm only going to put a little bit of black because it is so strong that it can really take over the whole color. And I want to be able to tell that this is red with black added. So did you see how I'm just adding a little bit at a time, mixing it? Okay, now I'm going to paint that color into my shade box here. I'm gonna make sure it's a nice kind of thick layer here. And then I do want to wash my brush out because I'm gonna be using white next, and I don't want to get a tone, which is gray plus my color. I want to get a tint, which is white plus my color. Okay, I think I'm good. So again, I'm gonna take a little bit of white and a tiny bit of red. Okay, oh, that was already probably too much red almost. Do you see that? Let's mix in all my white. Okay, there we have a pink, right? This tint has its own name, pink. All right, that's a nice intense pink. It's not too light, it's not too dark. And I'm painting the tint box. Okay, so now I have my shade, my hue, and my tint. I'm gonna rinse my brush out in my cup, drag it on the edge a little bit, on the lip, and dry it a little bit on my paper towel. Nice job.